Another video. So today we will be playing the game Ala Mobile and we will be doing a last to first challenge on the most difficult AI in this game on Australia. I will tell the reason why, but right now I'm so sorry for uploading 3 years later because my phone was not keeping up with the games quite well. It was lagging a lot, so that's why I had to wait 3 years. I got a new phone, so now I'm hopefully it won't lag that much. And now I will be showing you the settings. It's the most difficult AI. It's racing line on, penalties off, failures on, damages forgiving, safety car off, car dynamics classic, fuel on, race length a pretty basic 20 laps, brake assist, and weather random. Okay, so racing line is on because I'm not that good. Penalties are off because I'm just, if I turn them on I will get a lot of penalties. Damages are forgiving because I'm not that good. Safety car takes too much time. Classic car dynamics are just good. I am not really quite familiar with the simulation car dynamics, but it's alright. Fuel is on. Race length is pretty standard, and that's it. It's the most difficult AI. As you can see, there's not much more that I can enable. It's the default setup. Everything is on balanced, default, balanced, everything, brake bias too. And now I will be changing the tires because I want to do a soft tires for 10 laps and then medium tires for 10 laps, because if we don't use two compounds like it says in the bottom, it will disqualify us from the race. So let's head into the channel without too much yapping. And now we are at Australia. Let's see what happens now. So 5 red lights are going on. We are dead last, and the Australian Grand Prix is underway. Wow. And I get a decent start. Oh my god, and I'm instantly in the wall. I'm so sorry for that, guys. Not a good start, and I'm sorry for like the liveries are not loaded. Oh my god. Oh my god, and he's just, what is happening? He's just, and I'm going to lift off a bit because I do not want to crash, because I don't know what just happened, and I just completely miss my breaking point. So I was saying, I'm sorry that the liveries and stuff are not loaded in. I will load them in when the 2026 version of this game comes out, inshallah. Oh my god, and we get sent to the wall. It's my fault. I'm not going to be blaming whoever that was, but it's my fault though. I'm so sorry. I should not have turned in. That's my fault there. But now let's see if we can make a comeback drive from this. I think we can, because the most difficult AI on this game is not that difficult. It's an okayish difficult. It's like not that hard, but they just don't leave you. And I've just cut the corner. Okay, Ben. And we go side by side through there. Can I send it? Oh my god, I send it. I said that we get a move done. 2 moves. We go another move. And we have gotten 3 overtakes in 3 corners. Wow. Absolutely magnificent. And I don't know how that did not get a track limits there on turn 1. But I'm quite happy that I didn't. Because, and now, oh my god, multiple cars ahead have gone off track. Now I have gone off track. What has happened there? They all just went into the gravel. I had to switch on the outside there, and I've just completely cut the corner. I had to switch on the outside, and then I just went off track too. Wow, that is some chaos. Now we have to manage the battery a little bit. I don't really manage the battery for the first lap or two, but now I really have to because I'm running low on the battery. Now we have overtaken one person. We are using high percentage on the battery. Let's see what can happen here. Braking late, and we as well. What a move! As we get another triple overtake. What is happening today? I am on an absolute different level. As I said, the AI, the max difficult AI is not that difficult. Wow! As we make contact, as we wheels banging. Oh my God! Let's see if we can brake in late and get him on the next corner, but we cannot. We cannot. Oh my God! And I just cut the entire corner. I'm so sorry, FIA. I'm sorry. As we, as my front wing touches the gearbox, I'm on his gearbox. I will send it. No, but I could not, and we have the better exit using high battery percentage. Let's see what happens. He somehow gets away. Now I will be sending it again, and we make the move stick up to P13. We really need to step up the overtaking game now, because they are going ahead and the field is spreading out and we go off track. But we still catch up to the car in front. As oh my God, as I go around the outside, what a beautiful move! Wow! As I oh my God, as wheels banging, as he will, can we switch back? And no! Oh my, what has happened? That was not a clean move. But I do not know what has happened. I just went round the outside. That's the first time I've just ever went round the outside on that corner. But then that move was, I don't think that's clean. But we have not been asked to give the position back. So let's see what happens. And now we need to chase the car in front, as I'm taking very dangerous track limits. I'm pushing the track and the car to its limit. Oh my God, we get an absolutely amazing exit out of the corner. We are now, I will send it. Oh my God, what an overtake! As he is coming around for more, but he cannot overtake again. He just did not have the straight line speed to do it. Maybe if he had used the overtake ERS, then he could have. He might have went back around and we would have been fighting. As a brake really early, oh my God, as I go a bit wide on that corner. Now chasing the car in front, which is Norris, Lando Norris in the McLaren, the 2025 World Champion, as we go to get a good exit using overtake. But it's not enough. It is just not enough, because his car straight line speed, as we send it because we cannot catch him on the straights. His car's straight line speed is way too much. He's trying to get back, but we just close the door as we go a bit wide on the exit of that corner there. But that was an absolute beautiful move on Lando Norris right there. So this race is turning out pretty good right now, and we also got the fastest lap. That is pretty good, but I don't think a 120 is just fast enough. That's a bit slow. That's like that's like the pace that you get on mediums. But I'm on soft, so I really should not get that pace. Now we have a purple middle sector, and now we are chasing the Alpine Daniel Ricciardo, which got kicked out from Formula 1. But it was really sad to see it though. But he is back in Alamobile though. That's what it matters. If I ever start, oh my God, as Daniel Ricciardo does not want us to pass, and that was a reckless move from us. If I ever start a career mode, I think I will. Oh wait, okay, I need to stop yapping. I have just went off the track, and I have just completely cut that corner. Okay, so as I was saying, if I ever start a career mode, I will definitely include Daniel Ricciardo as my teammate. I just love him, he just used to be so good, and we just go into the grass. Oh my God. As we go for the move on Daniel Ricciardo, a smooth move. as he could have not defended that, I'm pretty sure. Maybe he could. And now we have catched up to Grosjean in the Haas. I still remember his 2020 Bahrain crash, which was pretty scary as the halo saved him. And that's just gone, and we are gone. Just gone. Oh my god, that was such a beautiful exit on the corner there that he just could not defend, and we go into the grass. We have been touching grass way too much, man. I don't even touch that grass in real life. I'm just kidding, man. I definitely do. So now we have a 2 second gap to the car in front. I think they're in a Mercedes. Probably, yeah. It's, I think, Bottas. I don't know because I have not set up the game yet. So I have not loaded any of the liveries, as I said in the starting of the video. I won't until the 2026 version comes out. But they did, Okay, my engineer is just saying, yeah, I need to enable ERS. So yeah, as I was saying, they did release the 2026 pre-season testing one, where we can test the 2026 car. I did test them, and they're pretty good, I guess. And they have absolutely nailed super clipping. The developers of LA Mobile have nailed it. And I also want your guys' opinion on 2026 racing regulations and the racing in 2026 of Formula 1 in real life. I just want your guys' opinion. Let's see. I think it's like the cars are not being... Okay, wait. And now we are on the gearbox of Bottas. We will send it on turn 1, and we do as we go into the grass. Oh my god, we go into the grass as we almost also go in the barriers, as we barely save it. Now we have oh my god, and I was not focusing, I'm so sorry. And now we have a 2 second gap to Hamilton, who is also in the Mercedes. And then after him it's Leclerc in the Ferrari. So yeah, let's see what happens. So yeah, as I was saying, so what are your guys opinion on the racing and the new regulation? I think it's pretty good, but the cars are just not being pushed to their limit. But the racing is pretty awesome. We just saw a Mercedes 1-2 in Australia, and then we just saw Mercedes 1-2 in China, their domination. And then we just saw Kimi Antonelli just win 5 Grand Prix in a row. And then just Lewis Hamilton just comes out of nowhere and win the Spanish Grand Prix. And some pretty dramatic championship fight right now, as Lewis is P2 in the standings, Antonelli is P1, and Russell P3. And I think it's going to be a pretty good title fight, as Ferrari is also upgraded a lot, as also the brake disc thing, what's happening with the Ferrari Brembo brake discs, as Lewis is saying that these brakes are absolutely shit. I'm sorry for swearing. And Charles was also saying in Monaco that these brakes are absolute... Oh my god, I didn't even realize. Wait. Oh my god, what just happened? I was so focused in talking that I didn't realize that we were side by side with Hamilton and racing with him. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. This is my first time commentating on a video like this, man. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my god, and we go a bit wide. I don't think Hamilton can catch us now. Yeah, but let's see what happens on this straight. Will Hamilton be coming for a move? No, he will not. So yeah, as I was saying, the brake thing of Ferrari, as their brakes had not been good. But wait, I need to focus right now. We have a 2 second gap to Leclerc right now, and let's see what happens. Right now it's lap 10. Oh, so now we are going to box this lap, as I said, and we go to and we have a look at the grass there. Make sure it's nicely trimmed. Yeah. So but I don't feel anything in the tires though. But the rule is the rule, man. If we have to change the tires, then we have to change the tires, and I'm going to stick to my strategy. And but we are going to have to push really hard on the mediums, so we can get the cars in front and hopefully win the race. And now we're halfway already into the Australian Grand Prix. I'm already catching up to the cars in front. There's a whole pack of cars, but right now I'm going to pit. I'm going for the undercut. I'm going for the mediums. Let's see what happens. Let's see if the pit stop is good. Hopefully it is. I don't know what will happen, but let's see what happens. I am the first one to pit now. Ricardo has followed me behind. We're going off. Okay. I am the first one to pit in the Grand Prix. Now this outlap needs to be critical because we need to get the undercut done. So this outlap needs to be really good, and the other laps coming, we really need to be consistent as we come out of the pits P8, which is not too bad, I guess you could say, since we were in P4, I think, or either P5. Let's see. Oh, as we go onto the gravel with the new tires too, I don't know what I am doing, honestly. I really need to focus right now, as I am pushing to my limits here. Not even to the limits, I am just talking with you guys, and when I'm talking I just don't even realize what's happening, and I'm just auto controlling the car. All this talking, I think I have a sore throat now. We'll see about that after. Oh my god, what is happening right now? I am just not able to just drive this car. Okay, now this lap, come on. We head down to turn 1 as we go into the grass. Oh, we make contact with the wall and we surprisingly do not get any damage. The forgiving damage, thank god I put that damage on forgiving, otherwise I would have to do the video all over again, as we have already come into this race so far into this race. We cannot afford to crash now. This corner is always a bit tricky for me. I just brake a bit too late sometimes on this corner. Yeah. And now heading on to this, as we have some clean air and we go onto the gravel and grass. Oh my god, Leclerc is pitting. Now we need to really push because we need to cover Leclerc. Let's see what happens here. Oh my god, as I don't think we can cover Leclerc now. Let's see what happens now. Passing down the main straight, what will happen? I see some cars coming out, as we only gain one position of it, I think. Yeah, Leclerc is still in front. The undercut did not work, but now he is close, so we can definitely catch up to him and make a move, as we take it flat out. Oh my god, I just took that corner flat out. I thought I could, because I had fresh tires and we made big contact with Leclerc. Wow, very big contact. And then we go for a dive bomb on Leclerc. Let's see what happens. We give him the space. Now we're squeezing him. and but he is getting ahead. This is a pretty good battle with Leclerc right now, but I think I can get him. We make some contact as we get him on the exit. Wow, just wow. As Leclerc trying to get back, but I don't think he can. Oh my god, who is that on the track? Why is that car just randomly in the middle of the track? What could I even do to dodge it? Wow. As we oh my god, the forgiving damage is really just saving me. Okay, now we really need to push, because if we don't, what is happening? My car just decided now I'm just not going to drive. What? As I'm saying, I really need to push, as I have some throat. My throat is just not feeling too good after commentating this much. Let's see what happens. We have just absolutely cut the corner there. Oh my god. Thank god the penalties are off. Wow. As now we have reached the back of the cars. We have Vettel, Verstappen, and I don't know who's in the lead though. I don't know who's in the lead. But we have caught up to them and we can go for a move on Vettel. Oh my god! Vettel! 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 What has just happened? This is absolute tomfoolery. What the hell? I know I kind of swiped across, but he also. What? I don't know what just happened. I'm just happy that we did not DNF, okay? But we just lost all that progress, but I think we can make it back, as we have only 5 laps remaining. As I just cut that whole corner again. I don't know what it is with me and cutting the turn 1 corner, or just basically cutting corners. Now we catch up to Vettel a lot, but we go off track, man. And we massive front wing damage. No, no. Oh my god. What? I have just no words. I just have no words. In the last 5 laps. In the last 5 laps too. The car can barely turn. I should have. Ah, no, man. As we. This challenge is over. I cannot. Oh my god. This is just. As we get past with Vettel again. I don't know if I go in the pits or not. Oh man. Okay, what just happened? Ah, this is race over. This is race over. Ah, no, man. This is race over. I am so. Oh no, I should have not. I am just absolutely bamboozled by what has just happened here. As we drop down to P7, I don't think we can do anything. Yeah, even if we push as we get a ram from the back, I'll try my best to get a few overtakes here and there. But now we are being pressured by Magnussen Carlsen, the chess player. Oh my god, he is actually overtaking us. But now we get the position back, and now I will be pushing like a madman. No one will be able to stop me. The only person that will stop me is the barriers or the walls. I'm telling you, I'm just going to absolutely push the car to its limit. Even if I push that hard, it's a 10-second gap to P6. So I'll try my best to push and like make a comeback. I don't even know that's possible, but I'll try my best though, as that is absolutely tragic. Absolutely tragic there. What has just happened? It was all going so good. We were in the pack of the cars. We would have caught up, we would have made the overtakes, we would have won. But no, the racing script was just not made for us. as we have as we are gaining 3 seconds per lap, as you can see on the left side, as the gap was 10 seconds a lap, but now it is, oh my god, as we make contact with the wall, as we make 3 second, wow, 3 seconds a lap, it's pretty good, I guess. So going to the gravel a bit, oh my god, a lot of close calls in the race, as I keep going into the gravel and grass, but nothing, but I have not crashed because of it, and I'm happy that I have not crashed because of it. But let's see what happens now, as the gap is 4 seconds now, from 10 seconds to 4 seconds. As I said, I will be pushing like a madman, as I am now. As you can see, I'm like going off the track. I'm just doing everything I can in my power. As I can see Grosjean in front of me a bit, I can see a tiny bit of him. Let's see what happens though. I think we will get the fastest lap. We already have the fastest lap, but I think we will break it. We will definitely break the fastest lap, inshallah. Now pushing like a madman, we see Grosjean in front. Let's see what we can do though, as we set a purple sector. Now he's just in front, at least P6, come on, at least P6. As we send it from such a far distance, from so back out, we went side by side, but in the end, he got the better exit. But now I'm going to have the better exit. I will be getting that move. I will be getting the overtake. As we set 2 purple sectors, we are definitely flying right now. But that front wing crash, man, oh, that has just ruined the race for me. And sadly, there's just nothing we can do about it. It's just an unfortunate event. I guess it happens in racing. But I am so sad because I could not do the challenge for you guys. I'm so sorry. But now, as we are heading on to the second last lap, let's see what we can do. As the gap to P5 was 10 seconds, and now it's I don't know, it just doesn't say the gap. I don't know why. I have some, oh my god, my engineer just told me I have some minor front wing damage. As you can see on the top, the front wing has turned to green, from green to a light green. That will definitely be slowing us down a bit. Oh my god, what? I do not know why my car just loses power out of nowhere. That I will definitely be, oh, and oh my, yeah, the car losing power just made me lose focus. Definitely need to discuss that. But oh yeah, that front wing damage is just we just got a bit of front wing damage again. But I'm not going to pit because it's the last lap. I mean, what's the point in pitting in the last lap for a slightly broken front wing? As this challenge comes to an end, I guess, and I don't know who was that just in the middle of the track. Now let's see what happens. There's another person in the middle of the track. That's our teammate. What? And he's like trying to sabotage us or anything. I don't know what's happening. I just go off the track because, yeah, I just got so distracted from that. I don't know what just happened. But yeah, oh my god, we just have too much. We just had too much close calls in this race overall, And but it's sad that we could not just that front wing damage just messed us up, as we cannot win the race, as that front wing damage is just making it worse and worse. Yeah, the race comes to an end. Yeah, we go on the gravel again. Oh my god. I don't even care at this point, because we've just secured P6, I guess, which is not good, man. At least a podium, dude, but that front wing damage just oh my god. Well, that's it. I tried my best, but at the end, we could have won. We could have won, as we were in the pack of the drivers. But because of that front wing damage, we can't do anything about it. Sadly, if I just did not have that front wing damage, I could have won. But yeah, I will be showing the standings now. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm so sorry, I've not just set up the game, so this is why the names are just different, but I'm just going to call this name Verstappen 1, Vettel P2, Gasly P3, Leclerc P4, Bottas P5, us in P6 with the fastest lap, and Grosjean P7 in the Haas, Magnussen P8 in the Haas, Norris in P9 in the McLaren, Albon P10th. I don't know who this is, but they're P11, and Hamilton is P12 in the. Oh my God, what happened to Hamilton? I swear he was in the points. I don't know what happened to him, I guess. And Sainz P13 in the McLaren, P14th. I don't know who that is. Perez P15. I don't know who that is. P16. I'm so sorry, guys. And my teammate in P18th. Yeah, and that's basically it. So hopefully I will see you guys in the next video, but now I will be heading out. Okay, bye.